Hey y'all, Sam here, and I just received my Jeffree Star Halloween mystery boxes. They literally just arrived to my door. I met the mail lady in my driveway because I'm so excited to see what we have in store. So let's get these boxes open. All right, so when we open the box, we have a little flyer for Jeffree Star's new Velvet Trap lipsticks. These look very nice. While the Velvet Trap lipsticks look really nice, I'm more of a liquid lipstick kind of gal. Really hoping there's some liquid lipsticks in here. So here is my packing slip. I got the mini box, which was $25, and then I got the premium box, which was $60. My total with shipping and everything was $105.92. All right, so here are my boxes. I think the box is super cute. The Jeffree Star logo looks like a spider web, definitely designed especially for these Halloween mystery boxes. I'm really kind of hoping that I get like the mini Jawbreaker palette and one of these because I love my Jawbreaker palette and I don't have the mini, but I'd really like the mini. All right, so when we open it up, it looks like we have black and orange tissue paper. And let's unfold all this tissue paper. All right, it looks like we have a lip trio. So let's see what 3 products we have. So the first one we have is Unicorn Blood Lip Liner. I'm actually really excited about this. I've never tried one of his lip liners before. Oh, the component's so cute. This is what the lip liner looks like. Let's open her up. And it's just like a pencil lip liner. And let's swatch it. Oh, it's super creamy. And it's like a deep red, like almost like a True Blood red. Oh my gosh, y'all, I am so lucky. I got the Unicorn Blood lipstick as well. Y'all. Oh. Love this color. Okay, it says to shake well. So we're gonna shake her up. I might need to be shaken up a little bit more because it seems a little bit more runny than normal. But here is Unicorn Blood next to the lip liner. Oh my gosh, y'all, I love this color. This is definitely going to be like a go-to color combo for me going into winter and later in fall. The last item in this box is the gloss. And the color I got is called Crystal Climax. I do not have this gloss. I actually only have 2 of his glosses. Glosses that I own, one was from the Valentine's Day mystery box last year. It's got like pink and like purple, blue flecks in it. And then when he launched his Orgy palette, I did buy like that really soft brown color that has no glitter in it, but it's very opaque. Like I just thought it was gonna be kind of clear. No, it's opaque. It makes your lips like a creamy milky color, which is okay. I've used it a few times. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is beautiful. This is the Crystal Climax, and we're gonna go ahead and swatch her. A good gloss that kind of goes in a familiar family with this red. It smells like cake, you guys. It smells so good. Okay, you guys, I think that this is the best, like, cheap Jeffree Star mystery box I've ever received. Valentine's Day last year, we got stickers, which a lot of people complained about. And I'm super excited that we actually got 3 makeup items and 3 items I will actually use. Like, I am so blessed that they are wearable, great colors. So the gloss retails for $18. The liquid lipstick is $18 and this lip liner is $16. So we got a $52 value for the $25 box. So yes, this one is a win for me. I do not regret purchasing it. And now let's move on to the premium box. All right, so this one is the premium box. I did try to also get the largest box, which I believe is called the deluxe box. And I started checkout at 1:01 Eastern Standard Time. So when I went to go check out, 1 minute into the launch, The 3X size box was already sold out. So I could have got the 2X, but I'm like, well, if it's going to be a merch item and the 2X is probably going to be too small, then I don't know if I really want to spend $100 on that. So I didn't get it, which I have seen some spoilers that a lot of people got blood sugar or bloodlust in that box, and I already own both of those, so I'm kind of okay that I didn't get that one. And this one, I saw some people got androgyny and beauty killer, and I'm really hoping that's what I get, because those are the two palettes I don't have. I own everything else from Jeffree, but this box feels kind of heavy. Ugh. So what I'm scared of is I'm afraid that it's going to be blue blood. I'm afraid it's going to be blue blood in here, which is a gorgeous palette. I love it, but I certainly don't need two of them because I don't wear that much blue eyeshadow. All right, so when we open this one, it has green and black tissue paper in it. Oh, do you guys see it? I see blue. I see blue. So the first item we had is the March item made specifically for this box. And it is a little beanie with Jeffree Star's logo. I am not a beanie person. I'm gonna mess up my hair just to show y'all this beanie. I mean, it's kind of cute. I think I like it better than the red one we got in the Valentine's Day box, which I gave that away to my niece because I certainly wasn't gonna wear that. I'm in South Georgia and it's still like freaking 100 degrees, so I don't see me needing that. Yep, and I got the Blue Blood palette. Very disappointed. It's a great palette. I just don't know what I'm going to do with it. So, And then inside we have another lip trio. Hopefully these aren't the same ones that I just got in the other box, but let's find out. All right, so the lip gloss we got is called Diamond Juice. Ooh, this is such a pretty color. It looks like a champagne diamond kind of glitter. Looks pretty clear here. I'm gonna swatch it. Oh yeah, I like this one. This one is definitely the most clear I've received out of all of them, except for the one in the Shane Dawson launch. I do have that clear gloss as well, but it just has a nice shift of like a champagne glitter in it. All right, and then the liquid lipstick I got is Diamond. That's kind of disappointing. I already own this because when the family collection came out, I bought like the entire collection. And this is the color. It is a very pretty color. It just looks horrible on the lips, like absolutely horrible. Now his stuff is eye safe, so I can use it as an eyeliner or to do something kind of graphic, but I already have one. So maybe I'll donate this one with my Blue Blood palette to someone or sell it, or I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but something. The last item I got is the lip liner in Posh Spice. I am excited about this. A lot of people got Weirdo in their box, and I feel really lucky that I didn't get Weirdo. I mean, you can, granted, use it as a black eyeliner. Just don't wear that much black eyeliner to begin with. But this is the pencil here. Let's swatch her. Oh, she's a very nice, warm, nude brown. I actually bought the entire lipstick vault with the Orgy collection, and I think this will be a great pencil for a lot of those nude lipstick colors. This box was really good, and I know that it's so sad that I'm disappointed that I got the Blue Blood, because the Blue Blood is such a good palette, but the overall value of this box was about $124. I'm estimating about $20 for the hat, so we definitely did get double the value as Jeffree said we would. Well, that was everything that I got in my boxes. Hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you get in your Jeffree Star mystery box and if you thought mine was good or not. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and until next time, bye y'all.